Hello friends, welcome to my channel, my name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the description and we start our trading. So guys, let's start our trading session and let's pick the better currency pairs with the highest payout rate. I think these ones are gonna be now, however, let's add a few more. So we're fine with these currency pairs. We got $15 on the balance, also we open position for the maximum deposit amount on a 1 minute time frame, as always. And today we will rally on the technical analysis only, no indicators are required today. If you are new in trading, then this video will be a great help for you guys. So take notes and let's get started, guys. Let's find the first currency pair. It's time to start analyzing. Choose the better currency pair and find the most promising trend entry. I think we got it here. Let's open a short position right away. I will point out the workspace. And first of all, guys, I point out the resistance zone. The touch of this zone did happen. The local high was updated at these 2 points. And after this massive pump here, the price should move downwards. It's quite simple. The breakdown has already happened and there are less than 30 seconds left before the closing. And basically there is nothing to worry about, let's just watch the price movement. The first position has been closed in profit, guys. As you see, there was nothing complicated. We found the best timing for trade entry, spots the resistance zone, and let's carry on our trading session and find the next currency pair. Let's carry on analyzing. So I guess we should open a long position here. Let me explain why. I will point out this important price range. There was a rebound in this zone and then price started going up. The local high was updated here. Then we see a massive correction. The price entered this price range again and basically we can conclude that we gonna see a flat movement in the short term. The touch of this important support level has already happened and the price should move upward now. That's why we open the long position. There are literally 10 seconds left before the closing and I am more than sure that it will be in profit, guys. Yep. Exactly as I predicted, this one ended up in profit, guys. There was nothing complicated. We found and played out of the support zone and that's it. So let's continue our trading session and find the next currency pair, guys. Let's continue analyzing and find the most promising trend entry. So the right is, let's open a long position, guys. I will select the workspace. Look, we see that the trend was upward before, then the update of the local high took place, and then the correction started gaining moments. The touch of the support zone did happen here, the price bounced off it, and the trend seems to become upward again. Then we see this teeny correction in this zone and that's why we open the long position following the trend direction. And I'm expecting to see the breakout at the end, and our position will end up in profit, guys. There was a touch of our support here. Take a look, and we played it out and then open our long position. And this one has been closed in profit, guys. We've already multiplied our starting balance several times, so let's continue trading, guys. Let's carry on analyzing and find the most promising trade entry. So here we see a good pullback, and basically it makes sense to open a short here. I will point out the workspace. First of all, there is a touch of the resistance zone here. The local high was updated, so actually it remained at the same level, and it tells us that the price tends to go down. And after this pullback, I think the price is very likely to go down. So in this you can see a huge red candle showed up exactly as we expected. And there are less than 10 seconds left before the closing. And yes, guys, our position has been closed with a profit, guys. Let's refresh the page. There we go, and let's continue trading, guys. There is no stopping here, and we will find the better currency pair. So let's continue analyzing. Let's carry on our trading session. We are gonna find the most promising trend entry. So here we see a huge dump, after which I am expecting to see the pullback here, and our long position should be in profits. I will point out the workspace. Everything is absolutely clear. We point out this correction that stopped right here. The price should go down in theory, but we open a counter trend trade here. We countering on a pullback, and we already see a nice breakout. Actually, it was a fantastic trade, 100% position. It feels so good to find this kind of trade entry. So counter trend trade entry, and it played out perfectly. We see that the upward dynamics prevails now. We saw a huge red candle before, that's why we opened the long position on a 1 minute time frame. So we are gonna make it, and there we go, and our position has been closed in profit, guys. We got $250 on the balance. Let's update the trade amount and carry on our trading session. So let's find the better trade entry, and we observe a huge dump here. Let's slow down here and check some other options. What we got here, it's better, open a short position here. I will select the workspace. We open a counter trade position again, guys. Let's point out this price range. The updating of local high has already happened. Here we see a huge correction, and then I'm expecting to see some dynamics to the downside. So the price used to be in this price range then there were the breakout to the upside, update of the local high, and then downward dynamics should follow up. The local low has to be updated and the price should go lower, even if it turns out to be correction, then we did right away anyway. And another position has closed in profit, guys. Let's change the trade amount and carry on our trading session. I think we should open a short position here. I will point out the workspace. Quite good trade entry, I guess. The local high was updated. We see a massive pump here, huge rebound, and after the updating of the local high, I'm expecting to see a correction and the price should move downwards. It's obvious that the price should recover down to this price range, and I think we opened correctly, guys. Let's see what's gonna happen. There are 20 seconds left before the closing. And we got another position in profit, guys. There are almost 1000 on the balance. There is no stopping here. Let's continue our trading session and find the next currency pair. So here we gonna open a short position. Nice trade entry level. We see an insane correction out of this level. A strong player entered the market, the touch of the support level, updating of the local high. Then we see the correction to the upside. Accumulation zone was formed, after which I am expecting to see the dynamics to the downside. This is quite default situation, so when you see something like this, then you can open a position without hesitation, and this one should be in profit, guys. The thing is to find the right timing and you're not gonna lose. Yes. Another position has been closed in profit, guys. We got $1,500 on the balance. Let's refresh the page. There we go, and let's continue our trading. Find the better currency pair. Let's carry on analyzing. We'll here we see the touch of this price range. The price seems to break its roll, and I guess we should have opened a short position, but we are a little late here. We want the price to go a little higher, so let's open a short here. The touch of the previous price range seems to be happening here. The breakout has also happened. The price we are moving within the upper price range. The update of the local high took place, and now we observe a good dynamics to the downside. And basically I think we opened correctly. There are 30 seconds left before the closing. There is gonna be a breakdown at the end. And by the way, another position has been closed in profit, guys, and I think we should open a few more trades to consolidate our profit. So let's do this and find the next currency pair, continue our trading session. Here we open two long position, guys. This is a good trade entry, I can already see that. So this is the first price range, and here the touch of the second one takes place, and basically It indicates that we're gonna see some positive dynamics here. Here of the local low, if we use the fractal indicators now, we would see the updating of the local low on the fractal, and the price should go up following the trend direction. That's why we open the long position, guys. Bad closing of the previous candle, but this one should be closed higher. And by now I'm totally fine with this price movement. And there are several seconds left before the closing. And another position has been closed with a profit, guys. And let's open our final position, guys, just to see 5,000 on the balance. Let's find another currency pair for that. Let's continue our trading and find the most promising trend entry. Let's open two long position here. I will point out the workspace. We're gonna play with the trend here. Let's take a look at here. The long lasting flat movement prevailed on the chart. Then we see this breakout, the update of the local high, and the long correction followed up here, the touch of the zone, the price range, after which I'm expecting to see the price to go up following the uptrend. So opening a counter trend position would be a mistake here. Because we see that our previous correction is over, so we made a correct decision here. There are several seconds left before the closing. And here we go. Our final position has been closed in profit, guys, and this is what we managed to reach today. We used some basic knowledge of the technical analysis. So, and let's move on to withdrawal. Let's withdraw 5,600, I guess. Payment method is USDT. Press the continue button. There we go. Our transaction is being processed. I will attach the screen where it's done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and to go my closed Telegram channel. We will trade and earn together.